For Windsor-Tecumseh.
Thank you, Speaker. We can't talk about improvements to health care unless we talk about some of our most vulnerable citizens. Since the 6th of March, we've had 227 members of the Canadian Union of Public Employees on the picket line against 24 Hearing Society locations across Ontario. 36,000 deaf and hard of hearing people are struggling without the services that would normally be offered at these societies, Speaker. They've been working under the terms of their old contract for the past 4 years. They just want a small wage increase. The Hearing Society wants to strip away their health benefits, wants their pension plan adjusted, wants the sick leave plan torn up and a new one implemented. Speaker, I call on this government, this Liberal government, this Minister of Labour, the Labour Ministry, to do more, to bring some common sense to the bargaining table to get these men and women back to work. Speaker, I said there were 36,000 deaf and hard of hearing people of Ontario. I met with one on the picket line in Windsor last week. His name is Chris Newman. Through an interpreter, he told me how difficult it is for him to get by without these services. If he ever gets sick and has to go to a hospital, how's he going to communicate with the people at that hospital? How's he going to make them understand what's ailing him, Speaker? I also heard just before the strike how a man was dying. His family was around him in bed. An interpreter came in. Through the interpreter, they got to say their final farewells. They got to say goodbye and I love you and thank you so much. And they can't do that. No one else can do that now, Speaker, because these interpreters are on strike. This is why we've got to get them back to work, and we've got to get it done now, Speaker, not next month sometime.